GMT most certainly rose 21.99% in 7 days, which sort of is very critical. Bears control GMT's sort of current cost activities, or so they especially thought. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN sort of is floating at $315,095,195, or so they in every practical sense thought. Current STEPN cost generally is $0.3227 November 2023. In this video, we will fundamentally walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for essentially 1 week from now and fundamentally attempt to answer these much of the time, especially sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what certainly is truly momentary cost expectation for STEPN. Sort of is GMT a wise interest in a quite large manner. STEPN support and obstruction levels and so on, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Be that as it may, prior to plunging especially profound into the GMT specialized examination, really let us in a real sense discuss the very current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market investigation over the genuinely last 24 hours, there certainly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,392,958,938,316, which essentially is very huge. The especially complete exchanging volume truly remains at $51,887,486,523 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 51.71% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33% in an essentially significant manner. Which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $36,837.19 level after a decay of 1.95% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a value reduction of 3.88%, coming to $1,996.24 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.02, following a value change of 3.55% within a similar time span, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. XRP, the for the most part local coin of XRP, really is somewhere near 3.54 and presently exchanging at 60 cents in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which explicitly is genuinely huge. These occasions basically show that the market for the most part is going in a by and large descending course for sort of present moment, exhibiting how market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there sort of was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,392,958,938,316, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Right now, a for the most part broad essentially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market and in every way that really matters, significant way. STEPN backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized pointers used to especially distinguish fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a significant manner. Support truly is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become genuinely more sort of dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly has seen a value decline of 3.88%, coming to $1,996.24 during the past 24 hours in a kind of significant manner. Similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which vendors most certainly move essentially dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving genuinely higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following basically are the help and opposition levels of STEPN, GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT, generally is at 32 cents, down 6.45% in the especially beyond 24 hours, and by and large, has a value change of 21.99% over the course of the week, or so they generally thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is $315,095,195.00 United States dollars, while all-out market cap came to $445,935,315 United States dollars, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. There in a real sense are very nearly 1,385,950,707 explicitly are available for use out of 5,369,650,737, showing how stepn backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized pointers used to recognize extremely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an exceptionally significant way. STEPN Value Examination GMT Cost Investigation for 27 November 2023, inside a day-to-day time period in a real sense, made sense of beneath, which shows that stepn Value Investigation GMT Cost Examination for 27 November 2023, inside a by and large everyday time span, especially made sense of underneath, in a sort of huge manner. We utilize genuinely relative strength INDEX RSI, moving genuinely normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and remarkable moving kind of normal, EMA, to generally dissect the future development of the STEPN. Truly further appearance how similarly, opposition truly is a level at which vendors truly become move exceptionally dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The very relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the GMT coin in every practical sense is close oversold zone, as RSI fundamentally is at 37, which really shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.02, following a value change of 3.55% within a similar time period in a very large manner. While GMT's Williams %R marker explicitly is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, exceptionally signal most certainly is somewhat conceivable at this reach in a genuinely enormous manner. The MACD line truly is remaining underneath of the for the most part signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting how we utilize kind of relative strength INDEX RSI, moving commonly normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels. Different time span moving midpoints including genuinely straightforward moving certainly normal, SMA, and rheumatic moving in every practical sense, normal, EMA, to in a real sense, dissect the future development of the STEPN, in every practical sense, further appearance how similarly. Obstruction by and large is a level at which merchants truly become move fundamentally dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of higher in an extremely enormous manner. STEPN financial backers need to generally hang tight for any directional change over the for the most part day-to-day outline, so the genuinely relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the GMT coin in a real sense is close oversold zone, as RSI truly is at 37, which sort of shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.02. Following a value change of 3.55% within a similar time span, or so they in every practical sense thought. The STEPN generally has truly break all its generally upholds levels, and things sort of are not looking commonly great for the crypto market, showing how 24-hour exchange